After losing a few of these plastic dust caps on my Land Rover's drive flanges, I figured I should upgrade. Terrafirma makes a decent drive flange with a threaded dust cap, and supposedly it's stronger than the OEM flange. The fact that I found them for $12 a piece on fcpeuro.com is also cool. At this point, the flange should just slide off. In my case though, whoever was in there last used silicone as a gasket and effectively glued the flange to the hub. Awesome. The only reason I have to scrape the gasket surface of the hub is because of that silicone. Again, don't use that. Here's where I should have packed those splines with grease, but I completely forgot. I've since gone back and added some. I should also mention that this whole project would be a great time to check and adjust the wheel bearings. I repacked and adjusted mine a few months ago, so I skipped that part in this video. Torque the bolts to around 50 foot-pounds and you're pretty much done.